Hi everyone and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a really simple half updo. Want to start off by brushing your hair, and I think a side parting is the most flattering for this look. You're going to take a section of hair from the side which your part is heaviest and you're just going to twist it. And then you're going to take a piece from the other side and you're going to twist that as well. Make sure the twists reach the back of your head and then you're going to tie them together with a hair elastic. We're then going to do a 3-strand braid. And do another 3-strand braid on the other side. Pull them apart if you want them to look a bit thicker. Then you're going to tie those together in the back as well. And then you're going to do a twist again. You're going to tie them together in the back, make some space, and you can flip them through. And you can continue doing the same for as far down the hair as you want to. I decided to stop there. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you subscribe.